Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find people near you on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. So before you open the Snapchat application, make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or to your Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Now let's head on and open our Snapchat application. And from the camera page, just click on this icon at the bottom left corner, and that will open us the Snap Map. So you'll find people near you on Snapchat. You simply have to navigate through this map by zooming in, zooming out, or just moving it through the screen. So, for example, I'm seeing a particular avatar at my map right here. So you can just simply click on that particular friend or person you see on the map to see their profile, for example. Like that, I can see their location as well. So you can basically only see people who are sharing their location. So there's not much people who are sharing their location. Dear me, so I'm not skiing much right here. But basically through this you can see their stories as well if they have some shared on their profile. You can also zoom out and see more people all around your country or even the world. And also for this feature to work, make sure that you have enabled location access within Snapchat. So to make sure of that, just go home and click on your settings. Scroll down and click on Snapchat right here, and under location, just click on that. Make sure that you checked while using the app or always. So either of that, and you'll be able to use the Snap Map feature and find people near you. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.